Good morning, it's day 4. We are leaving Moffat, heading basically on the pretty much most direct route we can find all the way up to Ullapool. Of course the sat-navs have given us different alternative routes. Mine's telling me to turn left and go up the the A74M. John's is saying to use the 701. So yeah, there we go. Very strange. But we'll see how much filming we do today. Probably a bit on the 701 and then maybe a bit on the 68, but we'll see. And then we go round Edinburgh, Perth, M90, and then it's A9, which I think will be a little tedious in places, so we'll see how we get on. So we'll see you later. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. F***ing GoPro, stop recording. Oh, for f***ing sake. F***ing GoPro, stop f***ing recording, you d***. Oh. GoPro, stop recording. Thing. What a pain in the f***ing arse you're being today, GoPro. Ooh, except sometimes it doesn't. Yes, it's like magic. And then I say the magic words and it'll stop recording. Do you know what the magic words are? No. You're missing the magic word. No. Oh, it got that this morning when it wouldn't. It's GoPro, stop recording. And now we're going around Edinburgh on the very exciting A720 ring road. GoPro, stop recording. This is the lovely M90 heading north. Moffat. just had the slightly depressing message from the Garmin. Drive 105 miles on the A9. Unnecessary evil, but oh, so evil. Peace out. Maybe next time we appear we'll be somewhere a little bit more exciting. I f***ing hate you. Your mother hates you. Everybody hates you. Do f***ing 60. Please. Come on, John. I think it's time to start overtaking these motherfuckers. Doing 45 miles an hour. Come on, me old fruit bat. Oh, f***ing hell. Please be dual carriageway. 2 miles. 2 miles ahead. I've got to put up with these f***wits for another 2 miles. I need to find another load of f***wits 2 miles up the road. You bastards! Oh! Come on, you motherfuckers! Go, go, go! Don't waste any time, Jonathan. Find the stooger and destroy them. Come on. Many miles later. Well, the countryside is getting a lot more interesting, but you probably can hear it. The wind is picking up quite strongly now, getting a bit blustery. 4 miles to Ullapool, A835. The NC500 is now so popular it has its own little signpost. Fantastic. Throw the bike around, but being so gusty, I think today's not that day. Liverpool after 2 years. We have missed being here. And the weather now, although it's blustery, is absolutely beautiful. It is 16.5 degrees.
Say to the camera,
Marvellous.
marvellous. You've taken up all the bathroom with your chisel, look everywhere. How's a man supposed to operate?
I'll operate in a minute. Removing your vital organs with a spoon.